worn shock absorbers or other suspension components can contribute to poor cornering. Hi, I am Jesse, your facts and tips person with Automotix. So today's question is, when should I replace the shock absorbers or springs? While there is no hard and fast rule about when to replace shock absorbers or struts, bounce the vehicle up and down hard at each wheel, and then let go. Note how many times the vehicle bounces. Weak shocks will allow the vehicle to bounce twice or more. Springs do not normally wear out and do not need replacement unless one corner of the vehicle is lower than the others. Overloading your vehicle can damage the springs. Remember, an unbalanced or improperly balanced tire causes a vehicle to vibrate and may wear steering and suspension components prematurely. Till then, keep watching FAQ videos at Automotix.
Automotix.FAQs. Get answers to your queries by posting it on our G+ page.